Welcome to this video dedicated to Canva. Canva is a user-friendly web-based graphic design platform that offers a wide variety of customizable templates, images, icons, and fonts to create visually appealing content for social media, presentations, posters, and more. In this video, I will teach you a step-by-step on how to create stunning YouTube intro video. Without further ado, let's get into it. Open your internet browser, go to canva.com. On Canva, type animated intro video. Choose your template. Customize template. Edit text and adjust the size of font. On elements, type round frame. Select round frames and drag and drop to designated position. Upload your own logo. Drag and drop on round frame. For sound effect, go to your browser, then go to pixabay.com. Pixabay.com is a free stock photography and royalty-free stock media website. It is used for sharing photos, illustrations, vector graphics, film footage. Select your sound effect and download including certificate. Upload the sound effect on Canva. Then drag and drop on timeline and click play. If you're satisfied on your design, click Share and download on MP4 format. Let's check the finished product.